Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing field with applications in various industries, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. AI chips are specialized processors designed to accelerate different types of AI workloads. These chips are becoming increasingly important as AI applications become more demanding. The global AI chip market will grow from $16.86 billion in 2022 to $227.48 billion by 2032, at a CAGR of 29.72%. The growth will be due to the increasing adoption of AI in a wide range of industries and the development of new AI technologies, all of which run on next-gen AI chips. Some key trends in the AI chip market, like the adoption of AI in the cloud, the application of quantum computing, and the demand for AI chips in the automotive and robotics industries, will define how the AI chip market will grow. As of today, the growth seems inevitable. The AI chip market is very competitive, and several companies are vying for a market share. NVIDIA, Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm are the key semiconductor industry players taking the AI chip innovation forward. Cloud business players like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta are also not behind, and are now developing in-house AI chips to meet the workload requirements. The AI market is also very innovative, and several new technologies have the potential to disrupt the market, further driving innovation and competition and leading to an increase in demand for custom chips for AI workloads.